Hey, this is Jason Moss with the Georgia Manufacturing Alliance with a quick update. We are working on a great project. We're writing a book with HPN Books. It's a great coffee table style book. It's heavily illustrated, and it's going to be talking about the history of manufacturing in Georgia. This gives you a little bit of an example of what we're going to be doing. But the book's name is Manufacturing Success in Georgia is the title of the book. We are still on track to have the book published in late August, 1st of September, and we'll be telling the history all the way from the cotton gin all the way to the latest and greatest Gulfstream G750s. If you're interested in being a part of the book, we do have the editorial will be on the front part of the book, the history, and on the back half will be the companies that help support this project. If you're interested in learning more about that, you can go online and there's a link with all the details at Manufacturing Success in Georgia. Thanks again for your support and helping promote manufacturing across the state.